So today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful stitch, and it's so easy to do. All I've used is a 3mm crochet hook and some DK weight yarn. So let's begin. We begin with a slip knot, and then we make some chains. So yarn over and pull through. And that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do however many chains you want, but do in an even number. For this pattern to work, we need to work in even numbers. I did 10 right now just to show you the pattern. We will begin with a row of single crochet. So skip the first chain and move on to the second chain and insert the hook. And then work a single crochet into this second chain. Then work one single crochet into each chain all the way across. When we're all the way across, we have 9 stitches because we skipped the first one. So I chained up 10, skipped 1, and then I have 9 stitches. Then after this first row, we chain 2, 1, 2, then we turn the work, and then we skip 3. So skip the first 2 chains and the next stitch, and then work a half double crochet into the fourth. So 1, 2, 3, yarn over and insert the hook into the fourth stitch and half double crochet into this, and then work another half double crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over once again and insert the hook into the same stitch and work another half double crochet. Then skip 1 stitch, and then in the next stitch you work 2 half double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook, work a half double crochet, then yarn over again and work another half double crochet into the same stitch again. Then repeat, skip a stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the next, work a half double crochet, and then another half double crochet into the same stitch, then skip a stitch, and then work 2 half double crochet into the next. And you continue all the way across, repeating this, and then you only will have 1 stitch left all the way out here, our very first single crochet, this one. You will work a half double crochet into this. So on these rows with the half double crochets, you will always finish with 1 half double crochet at the end. That's row 2. So now for row 3, we start with a chain 1 and then turn, and then you will work 1 single crochet into each stitch. Skip your turning chain, insert the hook into the next, work a single crochet, and then a single crochet in the next stitch, and then repeat all the way across, just 1 single crochet into each stitch. And that's row 3. Then we chain 2. So after each row where you do single crochet, you chain 2. Then we turn, and then we repeat the row with a half double crochet. So you skip your 2 turning chains and skip the next one as well. And in the fourth one, you work 2 half double crochet. You insert the hook, work a half double crochet, then another half double crochet into the same stitch. Then skip a stitch, then work 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. And then repeat all the way across. 2 half double crochet, then skip 1, then 2 half double crochet, then skip 1, 2 half double crochet, and then in the very last stitch you work 1 half double crochet. Then chain 1, turn, and then work a row of single crochet again. Then you just repeat these 2 rows again and again, and then you'll have the beautiful prairie stitch. And then when you continued for a while, you have this beautiful stitch. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!